our last day. Hey guys, so we're in the grocery store. Me and Kroger's shopping. I don't know what they need. I don't know what they getting. They looking at a slab of ribs. But that's what's happening now. We're gonna go shopping later because I didn't really get anything. So I'm probably gonna get like a little bit of this and that. I'm gonna get black. We're back at the $5.99 outlet and we're about to get bracelets made with our names on it. We just got our personalized bracelets. I finally have something with my name on it. Hey guys, so we just made it to the Hollywood Wax Museum. Look at King Kong. I just wanted that bracelet too. We're going in. Look at the fountain. The naked booty.
No, you don't touch them. It's a real friend.
Perfect shot. Do you see that? It said ribs for 95 cents. What the heck? What type of days were those? This is so weird. Your eyelashes. Who's going to lay in the bed with Hugh Hefner? I'm not supposed to get up there. It said you can play with the props. You can. And put the bunny ears on. I had to put this on? You can. Get it, mama.
Show her the pictures out there. Show your mama the pictures out there.
We're in a haunted.
This is that thing. Look. This is that problem. This is that outbreak thing. Look at Mariah Carey and Jennifer Lopez.
Is that Lady Gaga? Hey, Lady Gaga girl. Look, this is what mom's gonna like. Look, I told. How could? Keejanell, you're losing. The tan one is set up to.
No, you need to spin with one hand. Just spin. See how your mother doing it?
Keejanell in them nails. It's her nails. Well, we know who lost. We already know who lost.
You coming back.
The tan one is set up to lose.
No, you did that little pump right there. Justin Bieber.
This
touch her.
Open that door, make your way through our series of rooms. There's going to be robots that pop up, some loud noises, blast of air, little spits of water. Let's see, there's one part where it gets totally dark.
Ah, look at Hannah when she was a sweet little lass. Sad we had to be away from her with our royal duties. She was so lonely, her own reflection became her best friend. We thought ugly Hetty could help, but she cursed us all. Lovely Hannah is trapped in a maze of mirrors, and we're in prison.
Y'all, you know this isn't even moving. It's not moving.
I know that, but it makes you.
Yeah, the mind is a look at y'all, somebody needs to stand behind her.
Come on, Brie. Is that a mirror?
Oh, we about to, you know what, Kathleen?
Oh, I'm about to walk into the glass. Oh, y'all put me up front for this.
Yeah. No, he can hit the glass first. This way.
You filming this?
Okay. Yeah.
All right, which way y'all want to go? She in the mirror.
So we just got done with the museum. Unfortunately, I couldn't film inside of the haunted house, but yeah, it was fun. We just made it to the boardwalk. I did not get a tan at all down here. Oh, you guys can make your own flip-flops. That is so cool. And t-shirts and stuff.
Oh, excuse me.
If we had time, I would go in there. I want to get in one of those. Ooh, that one's big. It's so hot. Woo!
You gotta pay attention, baby.
Yeah. We're such tourists. Keep getting attacked by bees. I'm not a flower. We're currently at Captain George's for lunch. This is the biggest buffet I've ever been inside. This is the biggest buffet ever. How do you know what you're gonna get? What did everybody get? I got steamed vegetables, fried scallops, I got sausage, whatever that is, and a soft crab.
Your grandma probably like cake.
I am so full.
I'm from here, they're from Myrtle.
Oh, so y'all been enjoying your vacation?
Woo! Wee! I'm full. I'm full.
Right there by the farm.
Oh, it's a nice breeze.
Alright, get over there.
I'm currently in the Forever 21 in Myrtle Beach at the Tanger outlets or whatever. This is the most compact Forever 21 I've ever been in. Stuff everywhere. So we just left the outlets again, and now we're at the grocery store again. My dress is gone with the wind. So we finally made it back. It's like we're just back to the